Hi, nature lovers! Today, let's explore the majestic world of elephants. These gentle giants are some of the most intelligent and fascinating creatures on Earth. Elephants live in a variety of environments, including savannas, forests, and grasslands. They spend 12 to 18 hours a day eating grass, fruits, bark, and roots. They require up to 150 kilograms of food daily. Unlike predators, elephants are herbivores and do not hunt. However, their large size means they need a constant supply of food. Their tusks help dig for water, strip bark, and carry objects. Elephants are polyphasic sleepers, resting for 2 to 4 hours a day, mostly at night. They often sleep standing up, but lie down when they feel safe. Female elephants are pregnant for 22 months, the longest of any mammal. Calves weigh about 100 kilograms at birth and are cared for by the entire herd. In the wild, elephants live 50 to 70 years. There are 3 main species of elephants: African savanna, African forest, and Asian elephants. Several elephant species have gone extinct, and many others are critically endangered due to poaching and habitat destruction. Elephants are more than just animals. They are an essential part of our planet's ecosystem and a symbol of wisdom and strength. Let's support conservation efforts and protect these gentle giants.